Today we are going to install the best GB WhatsApp out there. If you want to have it perfectly on your phone, let's check it out. The first thing you have to do, open the Play Store app, type on your profile icon, scroll down and click on Play Protect. After that, click on this little icon at the top right and then disable Play Protect. This step is very important. It may ask you to enter your phone's password. Just enter it and then click on continue. Once Play Protect is deactivated, go back, open your phone's browser and search for this. You see it? Alright? Click on the first website that appears. Scroll down until you find download APK. Then click on download. When it finishes downloading, let's click on it. We are going to install it. And after that, click on done. Now go to your phone settings, then scroll down, tap on apps, and after that, search for GB WhatsApp. Okay, click on it, and then tap on permissions. This step is very important. Give it all the necessary permissions. Okay guys, don't miss out. Once done, go back, open GB WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue, then click on allow, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on link as companion device. Right here, just take another phone and take a photo of this QR code. Now open the official WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three dots and then link devices. Now tap on link a device. Just take the other phone and scan the recent QR code. Wow, those steps are easy guys. As you can see, GB WhatsApp is connecting. If you are new here, please subscribe, be part of this family, because every single day on this channel, you'll find new videos about GB WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Take care.